It is a constructive session for markets globally, with equities leading the charge. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. Today we are doing a complete deep dive into corn. Corn surged to $515.50 per bushel, a move of plus 4.88% on the session. Intraday, prices ranged between $515 and $520.75. Let us break down exactly what is driving this move. Traders are reacting to news that S&P 500, NASDAQ end down on tech stocks, investors weigh Iran moves. Investor sentiment is being shaped by tech drags S&P 500, NASDAQ lower as Iran tensions, Nvidia earnings loom, the spokesman review. Now let us look at the broader macro picture. On the geopolitical front, traders are reacting to news that S&P 500, NASDAQ end down on tech stocks, investors weigh Iran moves. This is adding a risk premium across energy markets and supporting safe haven demand. The key macro overlay remains monetary policy. Equity markets are responding to reports that Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Any surprise in the rate path could trigger outsized moves. Rate expectations remain a key driver for growth and technology stocks, which are highly sensitive to discount rate assumptions. On the data front, investor sentiment is being shaped by tech drags S&P 500, NASDAQ lower as Iran tensions, Nvidia earnings loom, the spokesman review. Meanwhile, Brent crude plunged minus 4.81% to $87.74 in a significant session. This comes as oil prices fall as US rolls out global sanctions focused on Iran, adding pressure to energy markets. Meanwhile, WTI crude made a dramatic move today, plunged minus 3.42% to $82.10. This comes as oil prices fall as US rolls out global sanctions focused on Iran, adding pressure to energy markets. Meanwhile, natural gas ticked up plus 0.43% to $2.79. Traders are reacting to news that S&P 500, NASDAQ end down on tech stocks, investors weigh Iran moves. Coming back to corn. The momentum is firmly with the bulls right now. A sustained break above recent highs could open the door to further gains. Volume and open interest will be key to watch. Here is our near-term analytical view on corn. From a momentum perspective, the next key resistance for corn sits around $546.43. A sustained break above that level could attract further institutional buying. The main risk to the upside scenario is a shift in macro conditions or central bank tone. This is our analytical view, always do your own research. In terms of what to watch next, keep an eye on weather forecasts and key producing region developments. Here is what we will be watching closely in the days ahead. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. Thousands of investors rely on our daily briefings to cut through the noise. If you are finding value here, please like this video and subscribe. It directly helps us keep producing this content every day. Leave a comment with your market view. We feature the sharpest takes in future videos. That wraps up today's coverage from MTRS_Market Pulse. This content is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Always do your own research. Stay disciplined, and we will see you tomorrow. That is our deep dive on corn. Subscribe to MTRS_Market Pulse for daily commodity coverage.